Hi guys, welcome to Photoshop theory series on PK100. So today's question is, what is the meaning of path? Photoshop is not a vector based application overall, but it does have a few vector based features. The primary one is path. To put it simply, paths are vector based line drawings. A path made up of any number of line segments connected to anchor points. These line segments can be straight curve or a combination of two. For something to be a path, it has to be a closed. This means that each anchor point has to be connected to the another anchor point. You can create a path in survival way. With the pen tool, draw a line with anchor point at the end to make a path. With the shape tool, use the path option to turn any shapes into a path. Create as a path. You can purposefully create a path using either the pen tool or shape tool. Convert a path. You can convert an executing image, graphics or even text into a path.
सो तुम्हाला जर बेसिक पासून ॲडव्हान्स पर्यंत फोटोशॉप जर शिकायचं असेल तर तुम्ही आपल्या PK100 यूट्यूब चॅनल वरती बेसिक टू ॲडव्हान्स पर्यंत फोटोशॉप जे आहे ते तुम्ही शिकू शकता. सिंपल तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे, आपल्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवरती एक प्लेलिस्ट मी बनवलेली आहे फोटोशॉप मास्टर कोर्स म्हणून. त्या प्लेलिस्ट तुम्हाला बघायच्या, त्या प्लेलिस्ट मधील पूर्ण व्हिडिओज तुम्हाला बघायचे आणि लर्न इट. थँक्यू गाईज, थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. थँक्यू.